Prior to commencement and between tasks, always wash and dry your hands thoroughly. Before commencing any prep, ensure your workstation is sanitized and that all equipment is clean. Ensure that you use the correct color-coded equipment relevant to the food group: red, raw meat; blue, raw fish and shellfish; yellow, cooked meats; green, salads and fruits; brown, vegetables; white, dairy and bread products. Make sure that your cutting board is stable and secure with a non-slip mat or damp paper towel. When sharpening your knife, place the point of the steel onto the board and, holding the knife at a 45-degree angle, draw the blade from the hilt to the point down the steel, repeating on both sides. Once sharpening is complete, wash and dry the blade to prevent any contamination of metal filings to the food product. Using your preferred hand, ensure you have a comfortable, ergonomic grip of the handle. Securely anchor the product with your fingers curved away from the blade. Carry out the required cut. Do not rush, and if interrupted, immediately cease the task. Ensure that you work clean, removing excess trimmings into a waste receptacle. If carrying out bulk tasks, transfer your cut product to a container, keeping your board as clear as possible for the task in hand. When using a vegetable peeler, always peel away from your body, away and down into the board. If partially cutting products, as demonstrated with a baguette, ensure that your hands and fingers are clear of the blade. Never attempt to cut the product when holding. When transiting around the location, always carry the knife point down and blade facing to the rear. Never attempt to catch a falling knife. Always wash and clean the knife you have used, never leaving the wash up or drop into a sink.